Hey guys, so in this video we're going to be talking about this AI tweet maker that I built on Anyden. So essentially the way the workflow works is that when you execute the workflow, it'll pull some information out of the RSS feed. So you choose the different kind of topics that you wanted to pull stuff out of. And as you could see here, for me it's AI and tech, for example. And obviously you have to set this up right over here, AI plus agents or Anyden or AI workflows. So once this is set up, you guys could use some JavaScript code. And again, all of this is going to be included inside of my, in the, what do you call it, the description of the video. So you guys could copy this and build it for yourself. It could be very useful. Or you can actually use ChatGPT to generate majority of this. Honestly, it's really not that complicated. Anyways, so the way it works is you execute the workflow, it pulls that information out of the RSS feed, it feeds it into this code, which cleans it up, and then it sends it off to OpenAI AI. It's a language model. And basically what's happening in here, it's going to shrink the content significantly, right? It's going to shrink the content. It's going to throw it back into another JavaScript script, and then it's going to dump it into your Google Sheet. And then what you could do is you can easily just go ahead and copy paste the tweet. And actually, I'm working on something where you're going to be able to post right away directly from the tool while you execute the workflow. And another thing to keep in mind is that the trigger could be different. You guys could also use, for example, a timer. You could have it run the workflow every single day at 8 o'clock in the morning, 8 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 10 o'clock, whenever you want. So just to take a look, this is how the workflow works. Execute. So you're going to see it do its thing. It'll go through all of this process, and boom, it's going to be adding it to a Google Sheet. Now, let's take a look. Here's my Google Sheet, and these are the tweets I've generated over the past couple of days. Sales rep, meet your new AI coworker. It doesn't need coffee breaks, but it does know exactly what you're performing, how you're performing. So basically, the idea would be you could generate a bunch of tweets and then easily just maintain your account. And again, this is more like I wouldn't say it could replace a human per se, but it's really good. Like you can't, if you're organically trying to grow on Twitter, you could use this tool. In case you miss a day or two, you could have it generate threads, you could have it generate tweets. And again, this is simply to generate tweets for now. It's not really threads, but we could definitely get it to a point where you could be generating threads out of this. All right, so in a nutshell, that's the workflow. Very simple, and I'll get you guys to go through the walkthrough on how I built it. And yeah, that's it.